think I made it. I think I made it, cause I'm always smiling and you're the reason now.
What's up, YouTube? So, I had an unboxing for you. I had it unboxed. Wife had already opened the box, so I guess not really. But eBay still. I did copy these beautiful things right here. These Space Jam 11s. I'm definitely excited about these. Definitely can't wait to clean them up. You're gonna need a little restoration. There is glue on one. There you go. The person kindly tried to glue the sole back on. As you see right here, it's still peeling off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this glue area. Plus there's dirt in that area, so I'm going to clean up that dirt. And I'm going to icy the sole out. Ice the sole out. This is going to be easier than the black cement restoration. But I'm excited to do it, so let's get to it.
That's right. DJ Ignite. What up?
Hey guys, I just wanted to try something new with this, so instead of me just talking so much, kind of want to just vibe out to some music and just show you guys how I quickly fix up some Space Jam 11. So hopefully you guys enjoy this new style, just for now.
First stand, 15, so I guess I gotta do my little thing right about. Catch me, I'm ballin', catch me, I'm ballin', catch me like Spalding, catch me like Rollins. If he indeed the MC, vitamin like GNC. Can't see me like B.I.G. on CMT. Did a little bit of time on BMG. But this right here, homie, this all me. Can you be down? No, nigga, CMB. That's cold, that ain't nice, G. So what though? Lil' homie remind me of Ice-T. By the way, we share the same birthday. The wordplay is work, but pimpin' is easy. So catch me, I'm ballin'. I'm sick too if you ain't catch me like coughing. Back when I said you should catch me like Rollins. It's cool, cause most cats that I bump into can't catch me that often. Most times I just end up falling. Ball for a few, then end up walking. Catch me in the ball with a Cinderella waltzing. And I do it till it's no longer exclusive. Might go once, might go twice, but never 3 times like I auction to it. See, I walk into it, I do my thing, then tell the owner that it's cool to let y'all into it. Yeah. Lupe. Fiasco. Remember the name, man. FNF up. Green Lantern. What up, baby? Yeah. That's right. God on the album coming soon, man. We're gonna jump right into this one. Check out, chaka, walk, chaka, boka. What's a heart broken? You see her and you start choking. A dark open room. Will Tony Stark open the door, hoping he'll take you out of this mess? Ain't no way that you gon' live another day with this stress, but God bless. You walking, talking, and you got flesh. You so fresh. You heal the world with singular steps. I got next. I don't need to talk to my reps. My Star Trek's lasting forever. I'm breathing like the weather. Me and you together. These are bonds I'll never sever. I am James Bond. What's going on? It's very clever. Top secret. Drug bust. The cops keep it. The streets weeping. And the ones at the top see it. Gray sea man, tree sap seeping, a baby teething. That's the city on the weekend, screw the planet, leave it. Interstellar, before I was interstellar. Into hella, all future videos before I had a Vimeo. Before I was in the city with my bros wearing silly clothes. That's how the story goes. You know I'm gonna tell you all the truth. That's why we inspire the youth. That's why it's so important. That's why I said no to those endorsements. That's why I let my friends buy the Porsches. Cause people out our doors hide now on Trojan horses. That's why we got these torches. Last thing I want is corpses, but the thing that really bothers me is when these Corvettes pull up to my doorstep and tell me something corporate about my dang foreskin. Man, shut up. My family's not a circus. I told my dad to move the whole tribe down to Europe, where there's less Syria and a little more syrup. Maybe the doctors there will know how to cure us. Maybe they're less serious. Maybe they're different. Maybe they don't think we're delirious. We'll be close to the pyramids. We'll make a stop at Giza until they say we need you to renew all of your visas. Wait, Dad, you told me we were born on planet Earth. My dad said to beat the system, understand it first. My dad's an inspiration. I respect a man at work. And everything you say is something that you can't reverse, something that you can't rehearse, someone that you can't converse with. Like your clean press shirt, mess it up, wasn't on purpose. I am a rhythm surgeon. Sorry, I am insurgent, divergent. Zoe, get on the phone, it's urgent. No furnishing in the crib, just burning my fist, trying to figure out what life is. I didn't write this. How do you like my height kick? Pass me the ball, I'll spike it. Really like.
Hey guys, I just want to show you how you can ice your soles back out. I prefer my Space Jams but yellowing soles. I know that's unpopular, but I just feel like it gives like a distinct look, like an aged cheddar. Like it just looks better over time, and I just feel like it just looks better that way.
Renegade, never been afraid, sipping lemonade, flew to France, sip a different way, serendipity. Do you ever struggle with your enemies, trying to conjure energies, trying to lay a finger on my energy, prana? Say what you wanna, I'm on to the next. I'm a new male Madonna, you too worried about them checks. Can't keep a shirt on, I'm in the zone to
Hope you love